Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to find your pending connection on LinkedIn, or how you can withdraw it or cancel it. So I'm going to show in this video tutorial. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. Okay. So here, first you have to log in with your LinkedIn, and now this is your profile. So just come to the my networks, click on my networks, and this is your connection. And in the this screen you will see the your pending invitations. So I don't have any pending invitation, but you still go to the manage, and in under the manage you will see the receive invitation. Here you will see the all receive invitation. If you found any invitation, if you found any invitation here, you can accept it or just ignore it. Okay, so this is your receive invitation, and for send invitation from your side you will see the pending invitation here, or pages send request or event send request. So I just go to the people, and here you can find all send request by you. You can withdraw it like this. Okay, you have to withdraw one by one. Okay, you can withdraw like this. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.